This video is for the people who don't have poppets, and this is the sound of poppets on the side that makes sounds. So I'm going to start. Just going to start going like this way, but 2 at a time, and I do it. I didn't miss any. Okay, let's start this one. It's done. Then let's go to this one. Then let's go to this one. Now let's go to the pop tube where I have to step on it and make the sound. Keep it there. Let's put that over there. Now let's go to this one. Now let's go to this one. Please remember to leave a like and subscribe and ring the notification bell. Okay, bye.